And I gotta show love to the fam. TK going ham, goddamn. Press AT Raw, you the man. Yo, I swear I love my family. Made me feel what the news was a thing for me. Got me thinking that soon and the king to be. Swerving peace to my nigga DZ. I hope you listen to your baby boy son to me. This crazy car never got through to me.
Hey guys, I'm Ladora. Some people call me Dora. I'm coming to you guys today because I'm gonna do a review on a couple of things I got from this Mom's Meat Summit. It was actually informative about, how to raise your kids during this trying time, during quarantine, which is bullshit. But, we had to do it as moms, so what can you do?
Can you say bullshit on YouTube?
I'm saying bullshit on YouTube.
Gotcha.
Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so, and the first thing we're going to do a review on is a company called Undercover Snacks. I'll read this letter to you that they sent to me with these samples. Dear Ladora, congrats on winning the Undercover Snacks giveaway at this year's Mom's Meat Summit. Enclosed, please find some samples of our unbelievable, delicious, better-for-you snacks. Undercover a crispy granola. So it really wasn't granola. It actually was quinoa. I don't know why I kept saying granola. Yummy, but they are also certified gluten-free, allergy-friendly, and certified peanut and tree nut free. The hell is a tree nut?
Like acorns, stuff like that.
Alright. Okay, I'll take your word for it because I don't know what the hell that is. Oh my god! Wow! Alright, our dark chocolate flavors are vegan ingredients. They are all non-GMO and dark chocolate flavors and non-GMO project verified. I think that means the same shit. Okay. Sustainably sourced and made from Rainforest Alliance certified cocoa. Made from simply easy to pronounce ingredients. So we should be able to read the back. None of that, them ingredients, they put on the back that you don't know what it is. You never know what you eat nowadays. Pay attention. Enjoy. I'll let you know. We'll see if we'll enjoy it. Alright. Let's unbox these. Don't judge me on this tape. I wanted to see what was in the box. So I saw what was in the box. But y'all gonna see too. Alright. So first we have Undercover Dark Chocolate plus sea salt. We'll try each one of those. See how they taste. I'm gonna give you the real. I ain't finna fake it for the shit. Alright, we have milk chocolate and currants. We have dark chocolate and blueberry. And let's see. Dark chocolate and pomegranate. And let's see about these easy to read ingredients. So in the pomegranate we have dark chocolate, cocoa bean, pure sugar cane, cocoa butter, sunflower, vanilla beans, organic granola, pomegranate arrows, cane sugar, juice from concentrate, natural flavor, lemon juice from concentrate, and sunflower oil. Simple enough. Alright, well, let's get into the fun part, and it's trying one of these.
It's about damn time.
Let's see. Guess I'll do the sea salt first. Always seem to like the saltier brands first.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Well, damn. Alright.
Should I grab you the scissors, honey?
Oh, now he asks us to help. Thanks, babe. We ain't gonna do all that. Let's just see. You see that? Don't come for me, y'all. My nails will be done on the next video. That's good. It's not bad. I can finish a bag of those. I'm not gonna get full off it though. Move to the next one. Alright. Just like I said, have you open the next one. Let's try this chocolate and pomegranate.
Alright.
That was real good though.
Here you go, sweetheart.
I'm gonna have to take those away.
I use my man hands.
Appreciate it, husband. Appreciate it. Gotta get you one. All right. It's the same. I don't see nothing in it really. Let's go have a flavor. Okay, I taste it now.
Yeah.
It's sour. Okay, so it's like little bits of it in there.
It has little pieces of pomegranate? I'd like to try one of those.
Try it. It's not bad. The moment I realized I just messed up. I'm gonna kind of give you a kick. Not a bad kick, but a kick nonetheless. How do you like it?
Wow. That is good.
Told you. Let's see. I don't know about the currants. I'm a little fearful of the currants. Not too big of a currant person, raisin person.
Are they called currants or currants?
I believe they're currants.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, next one. Come on now, do your job.
I apologize.
Gotta remind them sometimes, ladies, they just get sidetracked. It's okay though. He still loves me. Isn't that right?
She do.
Thank you. Let's try one of these. Okay. Okay, so I see the little blueberries in this one. Little pieces of blueberry in there. Okay, strong dark chocolate. All right, there it is. Love the dark chocolate, but not too big a fan of blueberry. Want to try, babe?
No, I'm fine, honey. Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead, move on to the currants. Thank you, sweetheart, honey boo boo.
All right.
Yo, you about done? Tick tock, motherfucker.
Is a currant a raisin?
Basically, I guess made out of a different dry fruit. This one has little specks in it as well.
Yeah, it's raisin.
It's raisin.
Yep, it's raisin. Fancy word for raisin.
So it's a date?
You wanna go on a date?
Sure.
We'll go after this.
Not bad.
You can bring your currants.
All right. That's good. Not feeling the currants or currants or whichever one you want to call them. So, out of all the different ones I've tried, I think I would like to say that I would like to choose this for my number 1. This for my number 2. 3. I really love this one. This one's going.
TK going ham, goddamn. Press AT Raw, you the man. Yo, I swear I love my family. Made me feel what the news was a thing for me. Got me thinking that soon and the king to be. Swerving peace to my nigga DZ. I hope you listen to your baby boy son to me. Crazy car never got through.